Good evening. What is the marriageable age for men and women in India? According to the acts that are existing now, a girl can get married after attaining the age of 18, and for a boy it is 21 years. But on the other side, we always discuss about the gender equality. But why there is a difference of 3 years between boys and girls with respect to the marriageable age? That is the reason why government was thinking for quite long period, and the government has appointed a committee, and the committee also submitted the report, and the committee favored to increase the marriageable age of girls from 18 to 21. Government is gearing up, and in the current session of the parliament itself, the concerned amendment bill is going to be introduced, that is going to be amended, and the marriageable age for both boys and girls will be, from now it will be 21 years. Regarding that, I have information and I would like to share that information with you. Kindly have a look at this. Here it is. So, if you look very closely, legal age for marriage for women will be 21. So, the decision is based on the recommendation of a 4-member task force led by former Samata Party Chief Jaya Jaitley. This is one point you should be very, very clear. Maybe a possible question in the examination: who was heading the task force with respect to decision that is related to the legal age for marriage for women should be 21? Your answer should be Jaya Jaitley. Very, very, very important one. And the center has decided to raise the legal age of marriage age of women from 18 to 21. Kindly remember, even now, till now, it is 18. This is to be enhanced to 21 years. And with respect to this, in this week itself, a bill is going to be introduced in the parliament. Once it is passed by both the houses of the parliament, assented by the President of India, then it is considered to be the increase in age from 18 to 21 with respect to marriage for women. Clear? And as far as the Union Cabinet is concerned, on December 16th, 2021, it cleared a proposal to bring uniformity. Kindly remember, the task force was appointed by the government. It submitted the report to the government. It recommended for increasing the age, marriageable age for women from 18 to 21. It has been accepted by the government, meaning by the cabinet, on December 16th, 2021, and this is to bring the uniformity in the marriageable age of men and women. Right? Next one. A bill to amend Prohibition of a Child Marriage Act of 2006 will be introduced during this session. What do you mean by this? So, under this particular act, so far you have 18 years. So, any girl with less than 18 years is considered to be a minor, and that girl should not get married, and nobody should force that girl to get married. Clear? And accordingly, this bill is going to be amended, and 18 will be changed to 21 years. Clear? And this proposed bill will also contain amendments to various personal laws that are related to marriage of various communities to ensure a uniform age of marriage. Very, very, very important one. It is not just prohibition of a child marriage act that is going to be amended, but various other personal laws are also going to be amended. All right. Now, very important one. As of now, just now I told you, as of now, as of today, so the age is 18, right? And for men, it is 21. With respect to this, there is not going to be any change with the marriageable age of men, but there is a change with respect to marriageable age of women. From 18, it is to be increased to 21. Very, very, very important one. Look at this. Last year, the Prime Minister has announced. The Prime Minister has announced that government will soon take a decision on the age of the marriage of women. And after that one, government appointed a 4-member task committee led by former Samata Party Chief Jaya Jaitley. Kindly remember this one. And the panel has submitted the report to the Prime Minister's office and the Ministry of Women and Child Development in December 2020. And this particular task force recommended that a marriageable age should be enhanced to 21. It should be increased to 21. Clear? Very, very important one. And Mrs. Jaitley said that the rationale behind its decision was to make the age of marriage equal for both men and women. Very, very, very important. This is the rationale behind this particular recommendation and has been accepted by the government. And very soon, a bill to amend this one is going to be introduced and the marriageable age will be changed. Look at this. If we talk about gender equity and gender empowerment in every field, then we can't leave marriage out, because this is very odd message that a girl is fit to be married at 18 years of age, that cuts away her opportunity to go to college, and the man has the opportunity to prepare himself for life and earning up to 21 years. Very, very important one. So obviously, basically what will happen, once a girl gets married, right? So the education in most of the cases, not in all the cases, but in most of the cases may come to an end. But for a man, this is going up to 21 years. Clear? But why there is a discrimination? On one hand, we talk about, gender equality. We talk about women empowerment, and why there is a discrimination of this marriageable age, right? And according to this committee, this will send an odd message. That is the reason why the recommendation is to increase this to 21, accepted by the government. That is going to be a reality very, 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 very soon. Fine. So, this is about this particular topic. And kindly remember, when you are writing, certain examinations like UPSC or, a group 1 or group 2 examinations, women issues are very much, the part of the syllabus. So, for such type of topics, so you need to update yourself even in this angle. That is the reason why don't neglect any aspect when it is related to women for the purpose of the examination. And I stop here. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next session.